Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this session we are going to discuss about the regularly using commands in Linux. In before of this class we had covered the Linux importance, basic Linux commands, everything, the basic concepts. So what are the default directories which had been created while we are creating any Linux mission, everything we had discussed in the last session. In this section we are going to discuss about the regularly using commands while we are working with the Linux. Okay. Right now I have been signed into my AWS account, and this is the console page. Right now I only have one EC2 instance which is running in this account. If you just click on this server, you will be able to see the information all about this server. What is the instance ID, what is the public IP. So right now I'm getting the 54.144.25.106 as a public IP for this mission, for accessing this mission from anywhere across. Okay, and this is the private IP, and the instance is in running state right now, and the instance type is T2 micro. What are the things which I had selected while creating the mission, the same will be available visible here. Okay, this is all the things. Right now if I want to access this, I need to open sh which is moba xterm. So I'm getting open this moba xterm, just connect, and sh client, because of we are using here sh client. So what is my sh client? It is moba xterm. So open, start. Okay, and I am going to desktop because of my key pair has been stored in the desktop only. Okay, I am going to copy the content which I have been copied from the AWS console. Then I will be able to connect to the server which has been created in my account. So by default I will be able to log in as a EC2 user because of it is the default user for the AWS instance. Okay, and um suppose if I want to update, actually if I create a mission every time, suppose any recent patches has been updated, if I want to update the same thing on my server because of for performance, so how I will do? Suppose if it is a Windows server, what I will do? Windows update settings, if I type here, it will automatically fetch all the recent patches, but right now it is a Linux mission. So m update -y. Okay, what it is showing? If you want to perform this operation, what you want, either you will become a root user. Right now EC2 user is the default user, but it is not the root user. So that's why I'm not able to perform the task. So right now by permission sudo m update -y. Can I check like this? No. Even though if I mention the sudo, I'm not able to perform because of it is not the root user and it is not the super user. So that's why I'm facing this issue. So in order to overcome this issue, what I will be do? I need to log in this into this mission as a root user. What is the command? Sudo -i. Sudo -i is the command which will be used to log into this mission as a root user. So once you use the command, you can see you will be logged as a root. You can perform. Right now I am going to update my mission. M update -y. It will be updated. If suppose if any packages are there, it will be automatically updated. So here the no packages marked for update because of the mission has been created today only. So that's why there is no recent updates are there. Suppose if it has been created from long ago, if there is any updates pending for this mission, then if I type this command, then it will automatically update all the packages. whenever this machine is able to connect to the internet, this will happen. Otherwise, if it is not connected to the internet, it will not happen because of it don't know. It is not able to connect to the internet. It is not able to fetch the updates from the internet. So that's why whenever it has the internet connectivity, then only it will be able to update automatically by running this command. Okay, right. Suppose if I want right now, how many cat etc passwd. This is the command to check the users list. Right now I only have the one user, that is EC2 user. If I want to create one more user, the command is useradd. My name is Sunil. I am the user. I am going to create one user. If I want to set the password for this user, passwd, okay, Sunil. I'm going to create the password for the Sunil. What is the password? Admin 123. Admin 123. And one more thing, while I'm typing the password in Linux, it is not visible to us. But coming to Windows, whenever you are setting the password for any user, it will be visible to you. But in Linux, it didn't visible to us. Just enter. The password has been updated successfully. Right now, what I had done, I had created one user Sunil, and password has been set for the same user Sunil. Okay. If I want to log in as a, right now, how I had login? I had login as a root user. Suppose if I want to log in as a Sunil, no, it is not accepting. Okay. Uh, so if I want to check who is logged as, just make sure SU in, yes. Right now I had logged in as a Sunil. Sunil is one of the user which has been created just now. Okay. cd space dot. It will enter into the back step. Okay. Right now I just logged into the machine as a Sunil because of here it is indicated Sunil. Suppose if I updating m update -y, will I be able to update? No. You need to be root user to perform this command. But I am not the root user. But as per my requirement, even though if I'm logging into my mission as a the user which I have been created, even though I will be as an additional user, but I want to be perform this task. How it will be possible? Yes, this is possible because when if the user Sunil has the additional privileges, is there any privileges has been provided to this user Sunil? Not yet. The only root user in this mission have the privileges to perform any task. Other than that user, no user have the privileges to perform any task in this mission. What my requirement is cd dot cd. Okay. So if I want to log out from this, just type logout exit, otherwise exit. Okay. Right now again I get back to the same root user. If I want to give the additional privileges to the user Sunil, what I will do, I am just typing va sudo. By using this process, I will be able to provide the root user permissions to the Sunil account. Okay, Sunil user va sudo. Just type 100. Then you will be able to go to the 100th line. This is the line. In this line only we are going to, okay, just you need to copy the same line. For that, what you will do? Copy yy y. You had copied the thing, so you need to paste it. Just come down, just enter into the insert mode, just paste it. Escape, paste. Okay, fine. And if you want to do any modification, just type I. Okay, just go here. For which user you are going to use? Sunil. Okay, just escape, WQ, save. Right now, just log in as a Sunil, super user Sunil. You'll be logged as a Sunil. Mm, okay, sudo m. Right now it is a super user. Will I do m update -y? No, you need to be rooted to perform this test. But I had given the privileges, so that's why what I will do. I am typing sudo because of I am the this user has the privileges. Okay, sudo m update -y. So yes, because of it is asking for password, because as I have the Sunil user has the privileges which has been provided by the root user. So I need to enter the password admin 123. Then automatically no packages marked for update. Here it is trying to update the packages, but no packages has been marked for update in this mission. So that's why it is showing is update. But every time it is not recommended to enter the password. I want to skip this password. How that will be possible? So for that, what I will do, I just need to type exit. I just came to login as a root user, and again I need to go to the same file vi sudo wq exit. Yes, I need to enter into the vi sudo. So again I need to go to the 100th line. So here what I need to do, so go to this line, type I, then you will be entered into the insert mode. Oh, all. Here you can type no passwd. Yes, escape, save mode, no oh sorry, insert mode, no passwd. It's not passwd. No passwd. No passwd. Okay, escape. You are exit from the insert mode. Just type semicolon, w key, enter. Then again log in as a root user. Okay, su Sunil. Okay, and the cd, then it will be as a Sunil user. Here type sudo m update -y. Is it asking password? No, right now it didn't ask me password. Earlier it asked me password, but right now it didn't ask me password because of this. Okay, I had modified the things in the vi sudo file. So whenever I had set no password all in the vi sudo file, then it didn't ask me password. It simply skipped the step by asking the password. Okay, right now every time I don't need to password. I don't need to mention my password. Fine. Okay. As a Sunil, what I'm going to do, as I have the privileges, I will be able to install any application. Suppose if I want to install install tree -y, the tree package will be installed. Okay, here what it is suggesting, yum install tree-5. As I'm not able to install because of I need to enter the sudo. Without mentioning the sudo, will I be able to install? No. It will be installed now. I successfully able to install the tree package on my Linux machine with the help of this. Okay, I'm just type exit, and in root user is sudo is required? No. Suppose if I want to install any some yum install git -y. Here it is the root user. Did I require to mention sudo before that? It's not required because of it is sudo. Yum install git -y. It will be automatically installed. Okay. And one more thing. Suppose the tree package has been already installed on my machine, but if I try to install it again, yum install tree-y, what it is showing? The package already installed and the latest version, nothing to do, because of as this package is already installed, it will not install once again. It will check first of all it is available in the machine or not. If it is full, then it will not install. Okay, fine. What the next thing we will do? Suppose if I want to check cat, if I want to check the users list, cat etc passwd. Right now you will be able to see the Sunil user has the user ID 1001 and the group ID is 1001. Same. The user ID is same and the group ID is same. Fine. If I want to know more about my ID, if I type ID SUNEL Sunil, then it will show everything. The user ID is 1001, the group ID is 1001, and groups 1001. This is all the information about my username. That is a Sunil. Okay. Suppose if I want to create one additional group, just like one user has been created, in the similar way, I want to create one group. Groupadd, group add DevOps. Is the group has been added? Don't know. If you want to check cat etc group. Yes, the DevOps group has been created and the ID is 1002. Okay. Suppose if I want any user to the existing group, okay, what I will do? The user mod -a indicates adding -g group. Which group? I am going to use it a DevOps group. Which user? I am going to add Sunil. Okay. By using this command user mode, adding group of DevOps for Sunil. If you type enter, okay, then I'm going to use the capital G. Okay, type enter. Yes, it has been successfully added. If you want to check ID Sunil. So earlier the Sunil is only under one group, that is Sunil group. But right now the Sunil user is in two groups. The first group is 1001 Sunil and the second group is 1002 DevOps. This is the way we'll be able to add any user into the existing group. Okay, fine. Right now, did I have any files? Just ll is the command to list the file. Right now I have the one file with me, that is one file 1. It is a regular file as it is starting with the hyphen. Okay, suppose I am going to create one more file, touch file 2. Then one more file has been created. If you type ll, it is showing two files, file 1 and file 2. File 1 is already existing, the file 2 which I had been created recently right now. Okay, and I am going to log in into the file 2. Okay, I just log into the file. Just I am going to insert mode. Hi all, good evening. Thank you for joining my session. Okay, I had entered the content. So just press escape, then colon W key. It will be successfully saved. Okay, if I type cat file 2, it will show the content. What are the content? Hi all, good evening. Thank you for joining my session. This is the content in the file 2. It has been displayed here. Cat is a command which is used to open the file, to open the content in the file. Okay, fine. And here one more thing, it is grep. Grep is the command which is used for searching the word in a file. If I want to search a particular word in a total file, suppose here it is a very small file, there is very less content, there is only 3 lines. But take such scenario, if your file contains lot of content, that means almost 5,000 lines, is it possible for you to verify the specific word from those 5,000 lines? It is quite not possible. It is not impossible. It will be quite difficult for you to identify that particular word, because of if you search line by line 5,000, it will take whole day to search for that word in which particular line it is. So instead of doing that in a manual way, by using the grep, grep stands for global regular expression print. It will be used to find that particular word in a file. Okay, suppose I am using grep. Which word I am selecting? For grep, the word for grep. Okay, suppose grep for file 2. Okay, in this line I will be able to see. Suppose there will be a case sensitive. Suppose if I type capital F, is it will be searched? No. Even though the for word is there in the file, but it will not able to search because of the case sensitive. If I want to remove this case sensitive, how it will be done? Yes, it will be done by grep -I space yes. Right, it is showing. Suppose this is the way. Grep, if you type grep -I, it will ignore the care sensitive. If you didn't mention the -I, then the care sensitive will be there. It will not search. Okay, fine. If you want to clear the screen, just tip clear. Automatically the screen will be cleared. Okay, and suppose grep, if I want to print all the lines except the word I had given, the command is, means if I want to print all the lines except the word, I'm using grep -v for file 2, then accept that line, because of the for line is in the third line, accept that line, the remaining all contents will be printed if I use this command. Okay, and in this way we can be able, by using the grep command, we will be able to find the multiple voids. That will be possible. And one more thing is a sed command. Sed means screen editor. If we want to replace the word with some certain word, suppose in this file cat file 2. So here the content is hi all, good evening, thank you for joining my session. This is the content in the file 2. If I want to replace some word with another words, means if I want to replace word with another word in the entire file, how it will be do? By using the sed command, sed, okay, yes hyphen for hyphen the. In place of for, I am going to replace with the. Otherwise, changing. Okay, okay, okay. closing the column. In which file? It is in the file 2. Yes. Sed -e expression -1 character 1 unknown command is S. Okay. Yes. Yeah. It's not the smallest. It's not a capital S. It's the smallest. If I take the term, just please have a look. Thank you for joining my section. Means here instead of for, it will be replacing as a changing. So by using the SED, you will be able to replace the word with the another word. So wherever this word is there, wherever the for word is there, it will be everything everywhere. It will be replaced with the changing. Okay, and with the help of the sed, you can change original content as, you can replace multiple words. Everything will be possible. If you want to replace entire line, that will be possible with the help of the SED commands. Okay, grep is used to search the particular word in a file. Grep is the command which is used to find particular word in a file. You can search particular single word or multiple words. And sed is the command. If you want to replace the word with another word, you can use a sed command. You can replace single word or you can replace with multiple words. That will be possible with the help of sed commands. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the section. We will meet up in the next section with the new topic. Okay. Thank you for joining my session. Signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.